Have you ever wondered what really happens to your food after you swallow it? How does a delicious meal become the energy that keeps your heart beating, your brain thinking, and your muscles moving?
Your tongue constantly moves the food around while helping you chew. Meanwhile, your salivary glands produce saliva. Saliva isn't just water.
Inside your body, billions of cells work together in one of the most incredible biologies on Earth. Today, we're taking an amazing journey through the human digestive system.
When people think about digestion, they usually imagine the stomach. But digestion actually starts inside your mouth. Ground inside your mouth.
The moment food enters your mouth, your teeth begin breaking it into smaller pieces. This process is called mechanical digestion.
Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase, which begins breaking down starches into simple sugars. This is called chemical digestion. As chewing continues, your tongue shapes the food into a soft ball called a bolus, preparing it for swallowing. After swallowing, food enters the oesophagus, a muscular tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. Food doesn't simply fall because of gravity.
Instead, muscles squeeze in rhythmic waves called peristalsis, pushing food downward even if you're lying upside down. At the bottom of the esophagus sits a muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. It opens to let food into the stomach and closes afterward to prevent stomach acid from flowing back up. When this valve becomes weak, acid can rise into the esophagus, causing heartburn.
The stomach is like a powerful mixing machine. Its muscular walls continuously contract, crushing and mixing food. The stomach also releases hydrochloric acid, one of the strongest acids naturally produced by the body. This acid kills harmful bacteria and creates the perfect environment for digestive enzymes.
One important enzyme is pepsin, which begins breaking proteins into smaller pieces. The stomach protects itself from its own acid by producing a thick layer of mucus.
Thick layer of mucus. Without this protection, the stomach would begin digesting itself. After several hours of mixing, food becomes a thick liquid called chyme.
Next, chyme enters the small intestine. But before fat can be digested efficiently, the liver steps in. The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body.
Liver produces bile, a greenish digestive fluid. Bile is stored inside the gallbladder until it's needed. When fatty food enters the small intestine, the gallbladder releases bile. Bile doesn't digest fat directly. Instead, it breaks large fat droplets into tiny droplets, making them much easier for digestive enzymes to work on. This process is called emulsification.
Another important organ is the pancreas. It releases digestive enzymes into the small intestine. These enzymes digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The pancreas also releases bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acidic chyme coming from the stomach. Without this neutralization, the acid could damage the delicate lining of the small intestine.
The small intestine is the true star of digestion. Although it's called small, it is about 6 meters or 20 feet long.
Here, almost all nutrients enter your bloodstream. Its inner surface is covered with millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi, and even smaller projections called microvilli.
Together, they dramatically increase the surface area for absorption. Sugars, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, fats, and water pass through these structures into the blood. After nutrients have been absorbed, the remaining material enters the large intestine, also known as the colon. Its main job is to absorb water and electrolytes. After nutrients have been absorbed, the remaining material enters the large intestine, also known as the colon. Its main job is to absorb water and electrolytes.
Trillions of beneficial bacteria live here. These bacteria help digest leftover food, produce certain vitamins such as vitamin K, and support your immune system. The solid waste is stored temporarily in the rectum. As the rectum fills, stretch receptors send signals to your brain, creating the urge to have a bowel movement. When the time is appropriate, muscles surrounding the anus relax.
The waste then leaves the body through the anus. This final step removes substances the body no longer needs, helping maintain overall health.
So the next time you enjoy your favorite meal, remember what happens behind the scenes. Your mouth chews, your esophagus transports, your stomach breaks food down, your liver produces bile.
Your pancreas releases powerful digestive enzymes. Your small intestine absorbs nutrients. Your large intestine recovers water.
If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fascinating human anatomy content, and share this video with someone who's curious about how the human body works. See you in the next lesson.
The digestive system is truly one of the most remarkable systems in the human body.